This tutorial guides you through creating a custom thumbnail for your YouTube video using Canva. You will learn how to find, customize, and download an eye-catching thumbnail template. Click the search bar labeled Search Millions of Templates to begin finding thumbnail designs. Enter the keyword thumb in the search field to locate thumbnail-related templates. Select the option labeled Thumbnail YouTube from the search results to focus on YouTube-specific templates. Click on the desired template from the search results to view more details and customization options. Click Customize this template to open the selected thumbnail in the Canva editor for personalization. Click the element labeled Thumbnail within the editor to begin editing the main thumbnail design. Click the Share button to access options for exporting or sharing your customized thumbnail. Click the appropriate area to open the Download menu for saving your thumbnail. Click Download to save your completed YouTube thumbnail to your device.